Hello, this is Claire Kerslake here, and I want to do a tapping video on receiving today. So often, and this happens a lot with females, is that we struggle to receive, and this can be around our business. It can be around something like compliments or in other ways. So I thought I'd do a tapping video on this. Now, if you're new to EFT, I'll just go through and introduce some of the points and the process. If you use it all the time, just feel free to fast forward to when we're actually doing the process. Now, a few things what I recommend when we do some tapping is one is to jot down the points. Now, you'll be following along. Tapping works really well the more specific it is. So feel free to substitute words that really match what you're feeling. The other thing I suggest really strongly is that you rate the intensity of the issue. So the intensity of receiving, for instance. So feel into that and rate it out of 10. So 10 out of 10 is the most intense you can imagine. 0 is it's not an issue at all. And we're going to tap until that intensity rating is 1 or less. Now, you might need to revisit it another day and check in again, but what you'll notice as you're tapping is that once it hits around a 5, you'll start to feel a bit better. But if you stop then, that's a big mistake because you'll have felt better for a little while, but you won't have actually cleared and resolved that issue. So keep tapping until it's 1 or less. When we first start tapping on an issue, we tap on the side of the hand just there. And we have what we call a setup statement. So we say, even though, and then for instance, I'm not worthy to receive, and then we have an ending. Now I will use in this video, I deeply, completely love and accept myself. Now some people struggle with that, so feel free to substitute something like, I accept myself and how I feel is often a good one. Okay, so what I'm going to do as we go around, I'm going to say the points and show you where they are, and then I'll say them as we go around as well. So we'll set this up. So even though I'm not worthy to receive and I'm being greedy, I deeply, completely love and accept myself. Even though there's not enough for everyone, and I'm not worthy to receive money, and I need to give before I can receive, I deeply, completely love and accept myself. Even though I'm not worthy to receive clients, I'm not worthy to receive compliments, I'm not worthy to receive support, I deeply, completely love and accept myself. Now we're going to go around the points. So the first point is the eyebrow point, just at the tip of the eyebrows there on the bone. I'm not worthy to receive. Next point, side of the eye, just in that little dip there. I'm being greedy. Under the eye, just in that bone there, there's not enough for everyone. Under the nose, I'm not worthy to receive money. The dip of the chin, I'm not worthy to receive clients. Now, some people call this the sore spot. I'll often say collarbone. Find your notches there and come down and out. And often it's a little bit tender, which is why it's called the sore spot. I'm not worthy to receive compliments. Under the arm, just where that bra strap goes, I'm not worthy to receive support. Top of the head, just patting the top of the head, you'll hit the points then, I'm not worthy to receive. Now what happens, we then check in and see what that intensity is feeling. And they might have had an aha, things might have come up for you to add in, and that's fine, you can add them in. And just take a note of that number. We're going to do a couple more rounds, and if you need to keep tapping, then you can do so. And as I say, it's good to tap until you're 1 or less. Okay, so I will go around the points again. I'm not worthy to receive. Side of the eye, I'm being greedy. Under the eye. There's not enough for everyone. Under the nose. I'm not worthy to receive money. Tip of the chin. I have to give before I can receive. Sore spot or collarbone. I'm not worthy to receive clients. Under the arm. I'm not worthy to receive support. Top of the head. I'm not worthy to receive compliments. We'll do another ram. I'm not worthy to receive. Side of I'm being greedy. Under the eye. There's not enough for everyone. Under the nose. I'm not worthy to receive money. Tip of the chin. I have to give before I can receive. Sore spot. I'm not worthy to receive clients. Under the arm. I'm not worthy to receive support. Top of the head. I'm not worthy to receive compliments. So once again we check in, and as I say, write that number down. Sometimes you'll notice you write a number before you start tapping and it will actually go up, and that's actually a good thing because it means you're narrowing in on the issue. But what you would expect to see as you keep tapping, that number will go down. I was going to say something and then it's gone. But do let me know if there's any questions. And as I say, keep tapping until it's one or less, and you've got this. Have a beautiful day and reach out if you've got any questions, as I say. Bye for now.